Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening the slime kit. Open it. I'm going to have I don't know if they're the tops. This blue hat is going to get it. I have my container right here. I'm going to be putting it out. A little much. I gotta pour it in. Oh no. Cringy. This is how it came out so far. So this is how it came out. This is came out.